I am from the wise woman tradition, and when you're walking through the forest, especially if you walk barefoot, which I try to do as much as possible, or you're walking in the yard and you're having a relationship with those plants, you begin to understand that you're part of nature. We're not separate from nature, we are part of it, we are all connected. Oh, welcome to my weedy yard, and we're going to walk around and pick a few different things that we'll use in our salad today, and there's a lot growing right here. As you can see, I mean, a lot of people would weed this. So I just leave them because I use them. So these pretty little guys here, this is known as purple dead nettle. And I'm just going to pinch the tops off of these. And right down here is some plantain. The plantain leaves, when they're young, make a nice salad green. This is ground ivy. Some people call it gill over the ground, some people call it creeping Charlie. And it's a relatively pungent plant. And I'm going to pick a few of the leaves and a few of the flowers, because the flowers are also quite pretty. And again, I'm just picking the tops off. Oh, here's some dandelions. Dandelions, I would have to say, is up there in my top 10. I can often find greens in the wintertime, and the plant is just so fabulous. You can use every part of it, and it's nutritious and it's medicinal. It's one of the most well-known plants for the liver, and so I eat a lot of dandelions. Here's a nice little patch of chickweed. Some people say that a weed is something that's growing where you don't want it to grow, but I just allow them all to grow. This is Jerusalem artichokes. I eat the roots. And they're in the sunflower family, and as far as I'm concerned, they are one of the easiest wild foods to grow. They have a smoky, crispy texture. One of the things I like about violets is that even through the summer, the leaves never get bitter. There's a pretty little violet. One of the benefits I find of weeds is that they are free and effortless. You watch them grow, and then you harvest them when they're ready. So there's yarrow. So this is what I do. I just walk around in my yard when I'm ready for dinner and see what's growing. And the things that we've harvested today literally grow in everybody's yards. And it's easy to care for them and perpetuate them and have them become more of a growth in your yard rather than cutting them down and having lawn. Have weeds that you can eat. I can eat this every day.